bring to you some information today that's important to you and your student athlete. First, mark your calendars for May the 10th. We'll be taking all the high school athletes to Hattiesburg to get a free physical. Don't worry, there's more information to come, and I'll talk to you more about paperwork and transportation and times in another video. Another thing is DragonFly and ParentSquare. The DragonFly is a platform that we use to make sure your athlete is eligible for the upcoming season. You should already have a DragonFly account, but if you don't, no worries. There's a link below to describe how to log in and the code that we use for Purvis High School. Hang on to that login information because DragonFly is going to roll out some new updates this summer that are going to help us to communicate with you about injuries or conditions that your student athlete are dealing with. ParentSquare. That is a platform that we as the school has adopted to use to communicate with parents. We have logged in and created teams of each one of the sports on our campus. I encourage you to go find the team or teams that your student athlete is a member of and become a member of that group. So that way you don't miss out on any information or posts that relate to your team. And as always, it's a great day to be a tornado.